In this video, I'm going to be revealing one of the hottest Shopify dropshipping niches right now. And this Shopify store, Kite Baby, is doing over $1 million every single month and is expected to do over $3 million next month. Now, what I'm going to be doing in this video is breaking down Kite Baby's plan in terms of what products they're going to be selling in the next few months to generate over $4 million a month. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can jump in this space and in this niche and take advantage of it. Now, just quickly, before I start breaking down their numbers, let me explain what they sell. So Kite Babies sell family pajamas, sleep bags, and sleep solutions. Now, during Q4, because of Christmas and Black Friday, these guys go crazy every single year. Now, in terms of their numbers, I'm here on Perplexity, and I asked how much money does Kite Baby store make? Now, before I carry on with the video, guys, make sure you smash the like button on this video because this is a new channel. And if you want to see more videos like this on this channel where it's raw, uncut, unedited, just pure value, then let me know in the comment section below. Now, based on their accounts and their reports, their annual revenue is around about $14 million a year. So that's over $1 million every single month. Now, I asked Perplexity, what is their estimated Q4 revenue for the Kite Baby based on the recent trends? So you can see here, based on the available data and trends for Kite Baby, the Q4 2025 revenue is projected to be between $4.2 million to $5 million. And that goes over the holiday season and it being increased based on the baby apparel market. So basically selling baby apparel during this time of the year and family pajama sets is one of the most lucrative opportunities if you're looking to do drop shipping or e-commerce. Because think about it logically, guys, it's not just one person that's going to be buying this product, it's a dad, a mother, and then the child. So you're selling 3 items in one order. Now, another platform that I use to gather this information and data is Winning Hunter. Now, Winning Hunter is a product research tool that I love using, and it shows me their store. So you can see in the last 12 months, they've done 10.7 million in revenue. Now, their top selling products are the sleep bags. That's what makes this brand the most money. Now, if I look at the Facebook ads that they're currently running, you can see it's all for the sleep bags, the baby pajamas. The video ads that they're running is their mothers showing their kids in these family pajamas and the babies in the sleep bags. And they're primarily running image ads. And that's very interesting to me because image ads are cheaper to run and usually convert better for this type of niche. This is the golden opportunity that I see, the holiday season family set pajamas. You can see here, discover the holiday collection, deck the halls with the new arrivals, and you can see here, Candy Cane, Vintage Santa, Mary Bright, Twinkle Tree, and Frosty Friends. Now let's take a look at the Vintage Santa collection. It shows you the same design style, but for all the different types of people that can buy it. They're selling it for dogs, guys. Imagine you're a family that has a pet, a child, obviously a mother and father. You're selling the whole set to them, guys. $18 for the dog hanky, $105 for the men's set, and then another, $60 for the women's set, and then another $40 for the kids set. If you do the math, guys, it's insane. Now, before we move on to the next part of today's video, when you sign up to Shopify, make sure you use my link in the description and in the pinned comment because you're going to be getting 3 months for $3, which basically means each month for the first 3 months is only going to be $1. So month 1, $1, month 2, another $1, month 3, another $1, which equals $3 over 3 months. Usually Shopify's $29.99, so you're going to be saving way over $50. And if you do use my Shopify link, I will earn a commission and it does help support the channel. So if you want to keep supporting me, make sure you use this link in the description and in the pinned comment. With that being said, guys, let's get back into it. Now, if we take a look at their landing page, guys, you can see it shows a dad in the full set. Then it shows a picture with the dad and the kids with Santa in the full set. They've called it Men's Jogger Set Vintage Santa. You can see here, free shipping, easy returns, rewards, men's sizes, app exclusive, earn rewards. When you see a father being really happy with their family in this pajama set, it's going to definitely encourage you to want to buy it so you can recreate the special moment on the festive day. Now, if we scroll all the way down, guys, look at what they're doing. Looks great with long sleeve pajama set for children, women's lounge set. So you can see they're also cross-selling you the other sets. Let's add this one to cart, guys, and see what happens. You can see in the cart already, guys, they're saying you may also like, so they're also trying to upsell us again on the other family members. It's a constant upsell and reminder that we need to buy this for our family. Now, just to show you guys how profitable and lucrative this niche is, check it out. I've gone to AliExpress and I've typed in Christmas pajamas family. And you can see here, guys, that there is different styles and different sets ranging from $17 to $6. Now, each set for the adult is around about $11 to $14. So the mother set is around about $12. The dad set's around about $13. And with the kids, let's say a son and a daughter, you're looking at around about another $16. So all in, you're gonna be spending around about $40 for the whole family to get the matching set. These guys are selling a full family set for around about $250 to $300. That is around about a 10x in return. Now, if I was gonna sell this product and I wanted to find a supplier for it, I wouldn't use AliExpress. That would be the last thing that I would do. I would actually use a company called Team Drop. They're the best supplier in the whole of China for drop shippers. Now, once you create an account with Team Drop using my link in the description, all you've got to do is click Find Products, Team Drop Products, and you can search in their database for what products they have in their warehouse. Now, their warehouses, they have the actual products in there. They're not third party finding them. They're not trying to outsource them. Now, if you can't find the product, you can go to source product, click new sourcing, and you can type in the name and the link of the product and an image, and they can do a source request for you. Now, you might be watching this thinking, well, what is even the benefit of using Team Drop? Their shipping lines are insane. Check this out for this product here. If I go to their shipping lines, they've got TBD pack ordinary, which is 7 to 15 days. They've got Yun Inco Link, which is $9 for 6 to 12 days. And then if I pay $11, I can get my dropshipping product to my customer in 5 to 8 days. So their shipping lines are next level because they're the main supplier. They're not third partying. Now, just to show you guys that this niche is about to do crazy numbers, check this out on Callow Data. Now, Callow Data is the leading platform for looking at TikTok data. Now, I've typed in on all products, Christmas pajamas, and you can see in the United States, a lot of these stores are starting to gain some huge traction. Kids Christmas pajama sets, the revenue in the last 7 days is $25,000, $25,000. And you can see looking at the charts, they are currently starting to trend, which means they're starting to gain a lot of traction. Now, pajamas in general on TikTok, as you guys can see, do $126,000, $77,000. So with that, with the trend and the actual season, the numbers are gonna be insane for this time of year, for this niche. Now, the next thing that I wanna show you guys is the market gap opportunities that you could leverage for this market / niche. Now, I've gone back to Winning Hunter and I've gone to their ad spy tool and I typed in Christmas pajamas, filtered it by Shopify, English, and ad spend. And you can see lots of different ones are coming up. So the best performer right now is this dog style pajama set. So I'm gonna play it for you guys quickly. Somebody literally just standing in front of the camera and dancing with these different like cat and animal pet pajamas. So that is one take on it, guys. You don't have to sell the family ones, although there's this one here showing the whole family in a Christmas set. But you can see these animal ones are doing really well as well. Now, this could be a market opportunity for you guys to sell super niched versions, whether it be pets versions, it could be couple ones, it could be single mothers, it could be single fathers. You could go down that avenue as it is a smaller niche that isn't being targeted from what I can see. All of these are being for families or pets, but couples I don't see being targeted. Now, another opportunity that I can see here, guys, based on the country and revenue that these are generating, most of these are being targeted in the main countries. So you can see all these ads here, country-wise, these are the ones they're targeting, but I don't see any ads that are specifically trying to conquer one market. So for example, you could try and target specifically things like Switzerland, Norway, Netherlands individually and target them by language. So you could use the power of AI just to use landing pages in their native languages and make ads in their native languages. Now, another massive avenue and opportunity that I can see for this niche is using the power of influencer marketing. Now, I like to use Collabstar, change it to any. I've chose family and children, and then I can click search. Now, again, you could use the same strategy, go by a very niched country. So for example, I could niche down to Germany and then click save. I've now found this mom life creator in Germany that makes content on Instagram, TikTok for her child and herself. So I could use her as an influencer and try and target really small countries. And you can still generate like $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month doing this method, guys. Although yes, it's a smaller market. If you're a beginner trying to leverage, you don't want to be going after the huge market. And like I said to you guys before, you don't want to try and aim for huge numbers as a beginner, like 200K a month. You want to be aiming for realistic numbers you've never done before. So if you've never done 10K before, or if you've never done 5K or 20K or 40K before, this method can get you there. Now, if you want to look for competitors selling the same product as you to try and get some inspiration in terms of how they're running their Facebook ads, then you can go to Google and type in the name of the product plus myshopify.com, and you can see I found this competitor selling very similar version. And if I go down again, guys, there are loads of other brands here like organic versions selling the product. You can see this one here called Holy Pals has come up. So this one here is another one. So that was one of the biggest opportunities and niches right now in the Shopify space that you can take advantage of, which is the family set pajamas or kids sets for Q4, Christmas as the festive season, and using untapped markets like countries and platforms to take leverage into for influencers or even running paid ads. Now, with that being said, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, let me know if you want to see another one just like this on the channel in the comment section below.